The vast majority of people are almost forced to sell their best here in exchange for being able to live. Thinking about buying a house or a car with credit doesn't help. You know you will be chained to these soul-draining tasks for a long time. See, if you like living with the minimum and you manage somehow to be happy, then fine. And I know most people watching this video will go that way. The majority just go through the pace. They do like everyone else. They are scared to jump and to take risks to pursue what vibrates the most with them. Sometimes they don't have the courage to be alone because achieving your dreams requires a lot of sacrifice, including time spent alone. But for stronger people, it's when you're alone that you actually understand yourself. You get a better insight about the world around you, or you learn about business, money, or purpose. I firmly believe if you don't know how to be alone, you don't really know in depth who you are. You're mostly just a distracted person scared to face yourself. I didn't create this channel to entertain you. You can go watch Mr. Beast for that. Here we get uncomfortable truth to make you grow. This channel is for people who are hungry for more. Considering how this world works, money is the only way to buy your freedom back. Or you might want to go live in the mountains. That's actually an option to be free. So imagine you have $10 million sitting in your bank account. Would you willingly spend your valuable time doing those secondary tasks you do at your job? Don't you hear your soul whispering to you something is not right? Do you listen at least to yourself? See, money-wise, mainly there are two types of people in this world. People that complain and people that make change. The vast majority of people are frustrated and negative. Just look at any comment section on social media. People complain and show negativity towards anything. Negativity stinks, it's sticky, and it has the heavy power of attracting all the bad energy from all over the galaxy. It's like people wake up just mad at everything, mad at the world, mad at strangers on the internet who they've never met and don't even know they exist. See, part of it is because of fear, war, corruption, and inequality in the world. Poverty and inflation doesn't help at all. People feel powerless. Worst, they are so traumatized and so broken that their perspective on life and their energy reflects that. But since when complaining resolved anything? Don't be a fool, eh? Take yourself accountable. Go! Everything is possible if you believe in yourself. But action requires work, sacrifice, and a positive mindset. Very important. Positivity attracts money. You have my words, my friend. Without positivity, you're not gonna do anything worthy. Forget about money. So then the proper mindset sets you on the right path to develop all entrepreneurial qualities required in your field. Qualities like, for example, vision, faith, boldness, skills, hard work, persistence, and tenacity when our time hits.
So then you say, okay dude, stop this motivational bullshit and tell me exactly how the hell could I make money?
Let me tell you something. Today with the internet, you have the whole world a few clicks away. I mean, a random guy in the mountain with access to the internet has more information than the president of Russia in 1980. You want to learn high-income skills like coding, copywriting, content creation, e-commerce, or maybe you want to become an author. Maybe you want to fix your e-scooter tire. Who knows? Everything is available online pretty much for free. Sit down on your bed and think about what vibrates with you the most without money being involved. What's your unfair advantage? Mine, for example, is empathy. I like helping people, that's why I created this channel. How can you use what you're good at to make a difference? What sort of product or service related to your passion can you create to fix a problem? What skills will you need to learn along the way to mature your idea? Things take time, as Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, said. Honestly, people underestimate what they can accomplish in 5 years. Trust me. You need passion, a long-term vision, persistence, self-discipline, and a positive mindset. As Elon Musk stated, I'd rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. You have to believe in yourself and in your vision, then you can create. Confucius said, the man who thinks he can and the man who thinks he cannot are both right. Do not listen to naysayers. Negativity has saturated society, and people around you will project their own insecurities and negativities on your goals. It could be even your closest friends or family members. Don't forget, most people want to see you doing good, but never better than them. The game is for strong people, or you will become strong on the way. The way to the top is priceless. I mean, it's even more valuable than actual success because it pushes you to become a competent human like nothing else. Don't listen to anyone. You only take advice from people you want to be like. Period. Be different. Be weird. Be you. You honestly don't need to find the perfect plan, eh? Go do what you think is best at the time. You see, 80% of first generation millionaires in the USA started doing something that didn't work. And on the way, they saw things they wouldn't if they weren't moving. So they changed direction and they made it. It's when you move that you see things. You will fail along the way, but it's part of the learning process. Remember, successful people fail way more than regular people, and those who never give up are unstoppable in this game. So start the best thing you can imagine of. Write down the skills you need and learn them online. It's not gonna be perfect, and it will change along the way. Remember, as a newbie, you might be ridiculous at everything you start. It's okay, don't be ashamed, at least you're moving. With persistence, you will improve because you become more disciplined. And as you become more disciplined, you become wiser. And as you become wiser, you will be able to formulate better and better plans. That's how you get that momentum and your business takes off. One of the guys in my network is a hedge fund manager for a big investment bank. This guy is a professional trader playing with billions of dollars. These guys know about capitalism and opportunities. He told me it's never been that easy to become a millionaire in the history of capitalism. There are literally countless ways to make it. Commit to finding your way, and I see you in the top. Stay true to yourself.